Welcome to this special presentation of Could We See Two Suns in 5 Years by Marshall Masters, a former CNN science feature producer and the publisher of the Kolbrin Bible. You can learn more about this 3,600-year-old secular wisdom text at Kolbrin.com. That's KOLBRIN.com.
Within the coming decade, we could look up and see a second sun through a copper-colored sky. Could our old friend Sol actually have a smaller unborn twin, a brown dwarf that's larger than the planet Jupiter? If this notion sounds a bit over the top, then consider the following. According to NASA, over 80% of the solar systems in our universe have multiple suns, and the Hubble and Spitzer space telescopes are now searching the heavens for nearby brown dwarfs as never before. We're finding them in distant solar systems. But what about our own solar system? We're looking there too. In the past few years, we've learned so much about the far edge of our solar system that science has had to redefine our very notion of a planet. In the process, we've completely remapped our solar system. On the downside, Pluto was demoted to the rank of a minor planet, much to the consternation of astrologers. On the upside, though, we inherited a new dwarf planet between Mars and Jupiter. Called Ceres, it has what appears to be a very thin atmosphere. Beyond Pluto, the search is on for extrasolar planets in orbit around nearby stars, and the hope of finding new Earths to colonize. To date, well over 200 gas and ice giants have been found, and the pace of discovery is increasing at an exponential rate. Meanwhile, at home, climatologists now blame global warming on an historic increase in solar activity. However, if you still believe human pollution is the real culprit, then why have our governments initiated a crash program to launch a new fleet of solar observatories into space between now and 2008? So could there be one common link that ties all these questions together with one simple answer? And if so, what does that mean to those of us living today? We're going to explore these compelling and timely questions using the latest scientific data, prophecy, folklore, and paranormal experience. So join me now as we explore the possibility that we could see two suns in 5 years.